Hi. Hi everyone. Can you guys hear me? Um, let's just wait for a couple more minutes, okay, for everyone to tune in, and then I will start the webinars. If you guys have any questions, you can just let me know, or any pair you want me to have a look, okay? Because today, webinar is just also about trading strategy clinic. You have any questions about trading? Please ask me, okay? Sorry, guys. I want to sit nicely. Okay. Okay. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Okay, let's just start our webinar today. Like I just mentioned, today it's also about trading strategy clinic. If you have any question about trading, please ask me the question. All right. If you don't have any question, I will bring you guys to the chat, and then um let's see if there is any setup for us to enter for the trade during our webinar, or we can just find the potential trade setup. Okay, again guys, disclaimer, any this webinar is purely for educational only. All right, if you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence. Okay, as you guys already know, we trade CFD or forex is really high risk, high return, because it's has leverage. Okay, all right. So about myself, my name is Peggy. I'm a trade analyst and a prop trader. Okay, at Ever Floating Group, we are finalists for the best FX research in 2019, 20, and 21, and best equity research 20 and 21. Alrighty, some of the certificate that have been part the challenge. Okay, so the agenda for today, like I mentioned, is just trading strategy clinic. I'll bring you to the chart today. All right. So again, look for the higher time frame. Okay, let me know if you have any pair you want me to have a look. Okay, so let me just start to look at the XY. All right. What you can see over here, this is my support and resistance, which is here. Okay, I draw my support and resistance based on the level. So I put this at my first resistance here. And this is my second resistance. Okay, which should line up with 61.8% Fibonacci, which I draw from this swing high to swing low. Okay, like this low. And then it's line up very nicely. If you were to zoom to your left, like minimize it, it's just about this level. Okay, so as you can see that we do have like DXY is falling. I think because of the phase we have the new like last night, right? So I will put this as my first support, which is somewhere near 61.8%. But what you can see over here, that price is falling and then it's bow a little bit at 50% Fibonacci level. But when you were to zoom or minimize to the left, there is no level. Okay, so I don't put this as my like first support because there's really not a good level for me. We just based on one indicator is like Fibonacci 50%. So I prefer somewhere here, at least here used to be like the high. Okay, and then price break above, and then we see whether price will bounce up at this level for DXY. That's why DXY falling, EU and GU is rising. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, it's rising because they have negative correlation, right? As you can see here. So this one I need to find my support and resistance again, because this morning I put this as my first support, but it's break above. I will change this as my first resistance. Okay. Haikus, I think bounce react off from this level because we do have 61.8%, and then we do have hidden beds here or supply zone around here. So you may consider to sell when price reach this level. Okay, you may consider to sell. Okay. I will put at this my first support, and then my second support I will still remain the same. Okay. This one is 60%. So when the price come to this area, which is I will highlight for you guys to see this area, you may consider to buy. Okay. Which is if you want to buy, you enter either to M15 or M30, and then you wait for the confirmation. What I mean by confirmation, which is you look for price action, or you wait for the chart pattern like double top. Okay. Sorry. Okay, like wait for double top here. Like you go to the lower time frame, you see if there is any price action, for example like shooting star or a lot of rejection in the lower time frame, and then you may consider to sell at this level. Okay, for example, if you see that, okay, let me put the watermark for you. Okay, for example, if you see that price it's come to this level in the lower time frame, and then you see that it's like rejection, for example, a lot of wick here. Okay, and then in the lower time frame, even like M5 or M15, you see that price ranging, okay, or cannot go through this red box, and then you may consider to sell. Okay, so now we just wait for the price either to go up around this level, which is now Yeah, now it's touching 50% Fibonacci. So I'll just put that like intermediate resistance, meaning that it's not a good level. Potential, you may watch out this level. If you want to sell now, you may consider to sell. But again, the next sale, which is at 61.8%, okay? Like you see, now it's hitting 50% and then have rejection. You wait because this one is my form up like double top. I'm not sure because it's still haven't like form up yet, right? It could be like this, like double top. Okay, like double top in this one. We just like guessing only. So if you want to sell now, you may consider, but you have to put your stop loss and your SL as well. Either stop loss and then your TP. But to me, I still prefer this first resistance here. I'm still wait for the price to come here and then I will consider to sell. All right, at this zone here. Okay, so now it's just 50% Fibo level for EU, and then this is my support, and this is my second support, which is 61.8% here. Okay, GU. Okay, GU, if you want to see here, okay, I have the position for GU, which I'm sell. Okay, it's supposed to hit my TP. I think I set my TP like wrongly. That's why it still bounce out. What you can see here, okay, at in head 4, if you were to scroll all the way back here, you will see that this is the area. This is the area here. Okay, if you were to draw from the body to the wick, this wick, like this, which is somewhere here, and then you draw Fibo from your on the left to the right, and then your swing high to swing low. This is about 60. Okay, it's about 50% somewhere here, and then what you can see that when the price go to this level, okay, have the rejection, so you go to the lower time frame like M15. Okay, what you can see this one, and we have a bearish candle like this, very engulfing candle as well. But then when the price, do you know why the price bounce off from this? If you were to use Fibo from this swing low to swing high, it touched 61.8%. That is about off from here. Okay, so just now actually my TP just slightly this like below 61.8%. I supposed to put like above, but I think I set wrongly. That's why it not hit my TP for the GU, but I still hold the position. This I'm doing scalping. Okay, so you go to the lower time frame. What you can see here, like I say, when the price go to our sell or buy zone, okay, what you can see in the lower time frame, you notice that price ranging like this, like they're ranging here. Okay, you see they're ranging at M5. Okay, my entry 29932. Okay, I will show you my entry. I never tell you the reason why I put the entry there. Okay, okay, this is my entry here. This is my sale. My sale. They don't have the. Okay, my sale entry is this. Okay, I change the. This is my sale entry. Okay, so why entry here? Because I saw that price could not go above this like this box, so I draw something like this. Okay, and then I have the bigs around here. So price come to this one. I saw that this could have like the bearish candle. Okay, And then I saw and I'm still like waiting for this price to break. Okay. And then I enter to this candle. I'm waiting. Then I saw this has like bearish candle. So I entered, I enter at this candle, which is green one. And then I'm still hold my position. So my TP is still the same, around 61.8%, which is like this week. Okay, this I'm doing scalping. So that's why I say if you go to the higher time frame like this, and then you sell, you just have to go to the lower time frame to place the entry, and then you will get the good price and the sharp entry as well. Okay. Now, like I say, price already move, already make a sell order from here, and my TP should be around this level. Okay. Whereas if you want to hold, for example, you can use the Fibo to draw from here to here. And then your TP could be, you can just put at 38 percent here, which is you highlight, which is at your first support level. Okay, this is your first TP and your first support, because when the price come down here, there will be people to buy at this level. Okay, and then what we can see that actually price is on ascending trend line. Okay, and then price is make higher low, higher high. Okay, what you can see here, higher high, higher high, higher high, and higher low here. So I think there is potential that price is still go on uptrend. Okay, in head 4 time frame. Even though if you were to go in daily time frame here, price still make a higher high, low, higher low here. Okay, so it's my bounce off from here. So if you were to sell in head 4, okay, you may just your TP here, or either your TP here for support. All right, let's look at another pair. Let me just look at daily time frame. You see, like this morning when I do my technical analysis, right? Price is all the way break everything. You see all the way left. We don't have anything here. So I need to go to the weekly time frame. But what I can see here, we still have like nothing like over here at all. Okay, so my first resistance I have to base on all the way here. We do have like nothing here, so I have to, sorry, I have to like either I put the high there, or I like reference here. Okay, and then I need to zoom in what we have in the daily time frame. Okay, this is like my second resistance, I believe. Okay, and now price break my support, something like they're going to break. Okay, so one, if the price break my first support here, it's gonna turn to first resistance. So we have to watch out at this level, because now price is all the way down, and if I were to use like Fibonacci to like help me to find in daily time frame. Okay, now we have like 100% projection. Okay, so this the level that you might have to watch out for. The here I just put somewhere here. Okay, and then what we can use for help us to support our technical analysis, which is we can draw Fibo either from here to here. Okay, and then you will have maybe these two level, you may need to keep an eye on it, because we have extension 127 and 61.8%, which if I were to go all the way to the left. Okay, let me see. Oh, see, nothing is here. Nothing is here. Okay, guys. See. Nothing is here at all. You're going to use this week and this week in daily time frame. Okay. This had like potential. What you see like that, meaning that price already break our support here. So I think this is gonna be like my resistance for tomorrow because price break this low. Okay, I just put and something like that. Okay, potential. I think price could come around this level, and then I will delete this first. Okay, and then I put this as my first support, which is okay. We need to see the price closing today for the daily time frame because you can see that there is very strong bearish momentum in the daily time frame. Even though now we look for weekly, also has very strong bearish momentum as well. Okay, you can see that price still below Ichimoku cloud in okay. Yeah, so just watch out this here. But again, if there is no level or no entry, okay, just don't trade. We just watch out and then maybe we will see tomorrow because it seems like this pair price still falling down. Okay, we just watch out at this level. There might be potential price bar from around this level. Okay, because this one is 100% projection, and then this one is an extension 127.20. Okay, just watch out at this level. All right. So far you can see my chart. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now let's look at dollar yen. Okay. For the dollar yen, let's look at the XY. Dollar yen. Okay. What you can see here that the daily time frame now, price is make higher high, lower high, higher high, lower higher low, sorry, higher high and higher low, and they make daily time frame, yeah, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and high. And then now price is break this low, which is this already create another chain of character here. And then now price is making a lower high. Okay, lower high, lower high, and then they need to create like this lower low. I think it's not gonna be trend like that. Okay, so what you can do here, I think potential for you to to sell. Okay, break, pull up. I think you can sell. If you already sell, I think you sell sin like this level. So where the price go down, if you were to wait, you wait at this level to buy, because this one we do have 60%, 61.8% of projection. I don't know whether you can see, but we do have like here. I put below here 61.8%, which is here, which is this week. Okay, somewhere this zone. Okay, and then when you draw support and resistance, you can see on your left. Okay, price react at this level. A lot of intersect here. Okay, it's bad you wait for this to buy. Okay, what to buy, you buy here. If you were to buy, you buy here. Let's say if you were to buy, where is your TP? Okay, if you were to buy from this level, for example, price make like that, right? You wait, you buy. I think you can consider to put this box as your TP, okay, if you to buy, because price is make a lower high, okay. This is your TP. If you buy from here, your TP is here, all right, as like 50 to 61.8%. You buy from here again, then you may sell down, because we sell price make lower high, lower low, lower high, and then they might create a lower low here. We need to see if the price come, either you might here or you consider to buy around this level. Okay, your TP could be here, and then from here you sell down, because price really change the momentum in daily time frame. What you can see, right? Or some people say this is a head and shoulder, because this is the left head and the right. Okay, so that's why it's selling. It's selling here. Okay, you may consider. Any questions so far? No question. Okay. Let's look at UCAT. All right. What you can see here, I think UCAT in daily time frame is still sideways. Okay. You can see, make the high, lower high, lower high, lower low. But then here there was sideways since 18th of July. Okay. So I go to the H4. What you can see over here. So for the H4, I just highlight the zone, something like this. And then what you can see here is price is still ranging, like ranging here. So there's no potential for you to trade. But if you like scalp, you a scalper, okay, you just go to the like M15 or M30, whether they see any potential. Okay, what you can see here, if you will notice, right, when the price go to our resistance, it's easy for you to see that price create double top. Okay, you see price create double top, right? You see they create the double top. Yeah. Okay, price create a double top in our resistance, meaning this is a kind of chart pattern like double top. When you see like that price here, the trader like us will wait at the neckline, which is here. Okay, and then we will press the sell order here. If you want to wait, if you are really conservative trader, you wait for the price to form up like this, break, like I said just now, similar like they break this low, like neckline, you can just like this one. Okay, chain of character here, and then this one, when price is go up, you sell from here or you sell at the neckline. Okay, but sometimes I don't wait for the price to form. If I see like that, I go to M15, it must clearer. I see, okay, price like this go. Okay, after it's lowered back, one I saw like this, and then the second candle form up, I will think this is gonna be M pattern. So I will just put the trade, which is aggressive trader. Like sometimes I just put the like the sell at this candle, and then I hold. Okay, like what's the pair? Like this pair, right? I say you go to the lower time frame to wait for the confirmation. Okay, now I'm at the EU. Okay, quick one. You see the EU, this one is our 50% Fibonacci, right? In H4, but in M5 you can see that there is a divergence here in the daily time in the lower time frame, meaning price will retrace from this level. Okay, and then what you can see, when it touches at this our Fibonacci 50% rejection, you cannot see anything. Okay, you go to the lower, you still cannot see anything. Lower down, still cannot. But if you want to wait at M15 to close, if they close with the choosing star, they close already. This is a sign of that price action. Okay, Where in M30 we do have bearish divergence here. Potential, I think there's my price might react off from this level, but if you were to trade and you use this, okay, your TP like scalping, okay, your TP should be at 38.2%, which is somewhere around this level, like from here to here. Okay. If you know how to use Fibonacci, you can use Fibonacci to help you to, place the TP or place the stop loss. Where is my, for example, you short, okay, you were to short here, for example. If you were to short or scalping, your TP could just be above this, okay, and then your SL, sorry, and then your TP just somewhere around this here. So the R is 1-to-1, but you see price go up already, okay, meaning that there still, if something like that, right, price is not go down, you to scalp, if hit SL, and then that's it, you need to let it hit SL, and then if you hit your SL, you just have to come back and wait at this zone, okay. But like I say, if you were very conservative, just wait at this zone. All right, okay, go back to this UCAT for us, okay. Like I say here, price coming down, still down, and you were to sell this, to we cannot make a sell order, we have to wait for buy, or if that no potential, then you have to wait for like tomorrow, okay, because this level we do have 100% projection here. And then if I want to draw no, okay, sorry, cannot draw now. This is my level, okay, I use this swing. As you can see that price intersect here 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then price could not go below, so this is my first support, line up with 100% projection. And then we do have like second support here, okay, I just below the wick, price could not go below, this is my second support. What about the resistance? Okay, actually the resistance I'm draw from this level to here as my second resistance, and I use Fibonacci, okay, to support my TA, which is 60% and 50% Fibonacci. You leave it like that, okay. This is 61 and 50% here, okay. All right, no question so far. Okay, let me look for this pair. Okay, we in H4, and I think we do have the trend line here, meaning that price is still on, to me, uptrend. Okay, what about daily time frame? Okay, I think in the daily time frame is like sideways here. Let me just look here. Price already break my first resistance, which is, this is my projection 100%. Price react at my 100% projection, so I need to change my level again. Okay, I still keep this as my first like resistance. I change to resistance first because we do have 161.8% with extension. Okay, and this is the extension for this, and this is projection here. Pi already react, but let's see. Okay, and I think my support, I need to put, to be honest, I don't really like this level, but if you were to use Fibo, okay, from this swing low to swing high, this could be 78.6%, which is here. I put this as my first support, and then price break my resistance, I will just put this as my intermediate support. Okay. I remove this one, and projection already gone. We don't use this. It looks messy. And then you have to look at this is to be second second support here. Okay. Oh yeah, correct. Wait. And then I remove this one. Okay, but it's too far for H4. So this could be potential like that. See? 1, 2, 3 touches. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let me see if there is channel line here. Actually, okay, I use the channel line better because let me see. Okay, this could be buried channel line. Okay, what you can see here. Okay, you can see that price is, you know, like in channel line here, go here. I think there's still within, could be potential to go like that. Okay, so I just leave my bearish channel line. It's still within the channel line here. Okay, even though price is still on like uptrend, they react to my ascending trend line. But when you draw like that, you just draw for your own reference or to see where the price heading to. Okay, and this is my first support, but price seam break we remove. Okay, let me see. You see what you can see to the M30. M30, I remove this. You get price is create a double top, right? You see price action, like price pattern. You can see that double top. Okay, if they create like this, you wait for the price to form, and then you wait for this one to break. You break this low, okay, and then price go up, and then you make a sell, which is the same pattern like just now, but you need to wait for the price to break this low first. Okay, and then you sell this M30. All right, see whether this candle can close below this low, and then you may consider to sell at the neckline, which is like either this one or this one. It's either one, because now we have to wait. This kind of our setup. Okay. All right. Um. Okay. Let's just look at gold. Okay. Now, okay, what you can see here in gold in daily time frame. Let me see in daily time frame first. Okay. Okay. I want to give you like go like to react and like this candle, like there's wick. Okay, and then you see the body always close below the wick, below like below the body, sorry, below the box. Okay, even like this one in H1 it look like daily time frame it look like this, right? You go to the H4. When you go to the H4, okay, if you were to like captures or the wick, you have to draw something like this. Okay, let me this week, right? And then we will use Fibonacci to get the level, which is this is 78.6% retracement, and we draw projection 1, 2, 3. Okay, like in this area, if you were to use projection, and this is the area that you want to sell, right? What you can see here, we do have Fibonacci confluent, right? 78.6%, which is this one, and we have 78.6% projection. So I draw the box, the zone. When price come to this zone, and then you can see that the rejection here. And this is, I will consider my first resistance. We just put here. I think that's fine. First resistance here. Okay. And where is my second resistance? Second resistance that's a bit far. Okay. You may consider this as second resistance here. Because we do have imbalance, so I think price still have to go up and fill the gap here. But now it will take time. What you can see in H4, okay, you go to the lower time frame. Okay, here, weak here, meaning price could not go above. Okay, now if you are to look like that, I think you're already sideways. Like maybe they are waiting for the new later, the sideways in M15. So if you're scalping, you already get two trades. One sell here, you TP. Where you get your TP here, you will see that this has demand zone here. What you can see, you see, when price tap in this box, it's reverse up, right? A lot weak. So if you use scalping, this is another good strategy for you to try. And then your sell here, TP, and then price it's on sideways, easy to trade. You sell at this candle, and then you TP at this candle, which is the body. You put the TP here, then you will get TP. This is your second order. But gold, I think, still sideways in 15. Okay, so there's no potential for you to put the trade now, because you may miss this one already. If you want to trade, you may consider this level, okay, which is let me remove the box. Okay, this box. Okay, you may consider to buy at this zone. Okay, I will give you the zone like this for you to buy. Okay, so this is for you to buy. So let's say 1963 to 1968. You may consider wait for confirmation. All right. Okay. You may wait for the confirmation if you want to. You want to be safe. Okay, wait for the confirmation. Like I say, rejection, price action, price pattern, and then you buy. Okay. So this view for gold. Let's look at oil. What you can see here in H4 time frame here. Okay. The resistance I put here used to be 61.8%, but it seems like price could not make above this high. So we need to adjust the level, which is actually this is the level have to highlight like that for like first resistance, but it seems like price could not go above what you can see here. Okay, let me just remove everything. You can see that price on ascending trend line. If you don't use trend line, please go and use it. This is quite strong trend line. Okay, like 1 2 touch it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and then price is make lower high. Okay, like you need high and lower high. So we need to wait for the price to break this wick, like first support here. You wait for price to close below, and then you know the price is like break chain of character, and then you wait for the price to retrace, and then you sell. Because what you can see here for oil, this one is like resistance. You see here, even though we do have 78.6%, if you were to draw like this, the zone, it's gonna be like this one. Okay, see, price could not go above this zone, and then price make bounce off from this level. But what about our support? This is quite a tiny support level, but we could not find any level because what you can see here, price could not make like go below this week. So I just put this week at my first support. Okay, and my second support is gonna be here, which is like this one. Okay, move this up. Okay, here. Let's go to the lower time frame. You see, when you go to the lower time frame, you know that price could not go above, you know, this area or the box. A lot of rejection in H1 time frame. Meaning if you want to sell now, you may consider to sell, but again, where your stop loss, you need to ask yourself, M15, okay, touches come down, up, down here. They may create double top, perhaps, I'm not sure. We need to wait and see. Okay, you see that if you were to see like that, price is ranging. Okay, like here, did not go anywhere. Like here in the lower time frame. Okay, like here it's a high, and the wick from this high is still in the lower time frame. You see in the like ranging area, M30 or M15. All right, here. So if you ask me if you can sell, I may say yeah, you may consider it sell, or if you want to wait for H1 to close, you just wait for this candle to close. If they close with the bearish engulfing, and then you may consider to sell, because price is really come from the resistance, which is this area. Okay, so you may sell, wait for the price to close, or you may sell now if you want to. All right, you may consider, because this is already our resistance level. We go to the lower time frame, we see that price could not break above or go to this area. All right, where is our goal still? Any questions so far? So far, no question. Okay, let's just look for one more pair. This one we haven't seen, right? Okay, for the okay, if you were to look at support and resistance in daily time frame. Okay, this is how you draw, but I might want to move this a little bit. But the daily time frame should be something like this. Okay, or just consider, but let me look at head 4. Okay, what you can see in head 4 here, okay, I adjust a little bit. When I move up, this is gonna be my first support already, price break above, so that this is my first support, and my second support, I just put that the recent low or recent support here. Okay, I don't put here because it's this not the level. I just put here. Okay, and second resistance, you use Fibo from here to here. As you can see, we have 61.8%. You draw the zone, and then we leave at 61. Okay, and this is my first resistance. This is my second resistance, which is a peak this high. Okay, so I think for the Kiwi dollar, it look very clean for the support and resistance here. So you want to sell again, wait for this level, you may consider. Okay, wait for the price confirm, price action or any confirmation, and then you sell. All right. Any questions so far before I end the webinar for today? All right. Okay. If there is no question, okay, I would like to end the webinar for today. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. All right. Happy trading and hope to see you guys again. All right. Bye.